The previous comp I had done, I started out with the 23, which I was happy with. But then I ended up with not very good times, including a 25 plus 2 and a 46, which was quite deadly, in which I messed up on V-perm. 2 by 2, I was completely freaked out. Damn.
Two by two.
Overall, I was okay with that, because the day before I'd been averaging about 9. A couple of my other cubing friends came with me to the comp. One of them is Eric. Also came James, Stellan, Wilson, and they all did better than they thought they would, and they were happy after. The 3 by 3 round, I was a lot more relaxed.